In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a JPG to a passport-size photo. By the end, you'll have a properly sized passport photo ready to use, all from a simple web tool and a JPG image you already have. First, open your browser and go to a passport photo maker website. Popular options include ID Photo 4U, 123 Passport Photo, and Cutout.pro. Passport Photo Maker. These sites are designed for this exact task, with country-specific templates that make sizing straightforward and help you avoid guesswork. Once you're on the site, upload your JPG. Choose a clear, front-facing photo where your head and shoulders are visible, you're looking directly at the camera, and the lighting is even. A plain, light background works best, and a neutral expression is generally required by most authorities. If you have a few versions of the same image, pick the sharpest one with minimal shadows and good contrast. The better your source photo, the easier the next steps will be. After your image is uploaded, select your country or the exact passport photo size. Many countries have strict standards, so use the country dropdown if it's available. For example, the United States typically uses 2 by 2 inches, while many countries use 35 by 45 millimeters. If you're unsure, the site's country presets are helpful, and you can always check your government's official guidelines to confirm. Getting the size right at this stage ensures the final image will pass basic measurements without manual adjustments later. Next, adjust the crop so your face is centered. Most tools display guidelines for the top of the head, chin, and eye line. Position the image so your head fits neatly within those markers, leaving a bit of space above your hair and keeping your shoulders in frame. Keep the image straight, no tilts, and avoid over-zooming, which can make the photo look soft or pixelated. If you can, align your eyes roughly on the site's suggested line and ensure your face is evenly lit with no harsh shadows. Take a moment to double-check that you're centered and that nothing important is cut off. Finally, download the passport-size image. Some sites offer a single photo and a printable sheet. Choose whichever you need. Save the file in a high-quality format, usually JPG or PNG, and give it a clear file name so you can find it easily later. Before closing the page, preview the downloaded file to confirm the size looks correct and the crop matches the guidelines. That's it! Upload your JPG, set the correct size, center your face, and download your passport size photo. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application.